Dude, are we out of cough syrup? I threw it away because pineapple juice is way more effective and it can clear the bacteria in your throat. Hey, I can't sleep. You try the breathing exercises I showed you? See, I would, but I forgot what it was. Okay, so what you have to do is inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds, and that should help you fall asleep. Hey, guess what? You're being too loud, I have a headache. Oh shoot, my bad. But I have the perfect thing for you, okay? Stick your feet in this bowl of semi-hot water. I'm not doing that. Put your feet in the semi-hot water now. All right. Why?